Hey there, art enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the colorful world of creativity. I'm your art guru, and today we're exploring a crucial aspect of art that can make or break your masterpiece: composition. So, what exactly is composition? Well, in simple terms, it means putting together. Think of it as the magical way in which all the elements of art are arranged and combined to create something visually stunning. Composition is like the blueprint of your artwork. It's how you organize elements according to the principles of art to guide the viewer's eye and convey the right message. In other words, it's the art of making all the pieces fit together harmoniously. Think of it as the secret sauce in your grandma's famous lasagna. First up, balance. Balance refers to the visual weight of the elements. A well-balanced composition feels stable and just right to the viewer. It's like making sure your favorite chair doesn't tip over when you sit in it. Next, we have movement. This is all about guiding the viewer's eye around and within the image, creating a dynamic experience. Think of it as a dance party, where your eyes can't help but groove to the rhythm. Then there's rhythm. Rhythm is the result of repeating elements in a non-uniform but organized way, giving the artwork a sense of flow. Imagine the beat of your favorite song, predictable yet pleasantly surprising. Pattern comes next. It's the uniform repetition of elements, creating a cohesive and often mesmerizing effect. Think of it as your grandma's knitted sweater, each stitch perfectly in place. Contrast is the difference between elements that makes each one stand out. It's all about making elements pop. Imagine a bowl of cereal with extra marshmallows. Those colorful bits really catch your eye, don't they? Unity describes how well everything in the artwork works together. It's what makes the whole piece feel complete and harmonious, like a family reunion where, miraculously, everyone gets along. And finally, emphasis. This principle is about creating a focal point that grabs the viewer's attention, making one area stand out above the rest. Think of it as the star performer in a circus. Everyone's eyes are on them.
All right, viewers, that's a wrap for today. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive into the different types of composition. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe for more creative content like this. Until then, stay creative and have fun.